Watch out, watch out. That's it. I still got 2 of them. Huh?
Why are you sitting down?
That's for your mother to sit down.
I don't smoke.
Bill.
I don't smoke.
Just sit on the ground just like I am. Ain't gonna hurt you.
I like the ground.
Those are firecrackers. Or no.
These are mine.
Yeah.
Hold them for me.
Sparklers. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, where are her sparklers, huh? Where are her sparklers?
Did they get left in the house?
No, I brought them with.
Gotta be rude about it.
Oh.
What?
Saying I have to wait until he... Oh my God.
Well, honey, he doesn't want you to get hurt.
You need to stop now.
Patsy, there was so many.
Jesus, Lord.
Patsy, look at how many mosquitoes right there.
Do you know what her sparklers are?
No.
You want to walk back there and get them? I know I brought them.
I just said I
don't know where they are.
You know, I don't know where they are. I believe they're in the house on the floor by her.
Yeah,
Are they big
wasn't it?
sparklers?
Yeah,
They're sitting on the back of the truck.
Michael.
Okay, well, I never want.
Just put her to wait because you didn't want her to get hurt.
Nina's right there riding her bike up.
Boom.
Is that it?